Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my next video. In this video, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to add an account to the TikTok software. This is the interface of the TikTok software. First, you'll create a separate account folder to store your TikTok accounts. Next, you select the Add Account option. Enter your TikTok accounts here. The software will automatically recognize your accounts. Then, we will select these accounts and start logging them in. As you can see, the software is opening Chrome browsers and automatically logging into those accounts for you.